Thanks for joining me today to walk around this 2026 Boston Whaler 25 Dauntless. The 25 Dauntless is kind of an all-around boat, gives you a little bit of leisure, a little bit of fishing, very comfortable boat to be driving around in. Obviously the center console, we've got the gray hull side on this boat. As we come to the back, like all whalers, we're going to have a Merc. This is a 300 V8 on the back of this boat. Does have trim tabs. There's plenty to see on the interior, so join me aboard. All right, welcome aboard this 25 Dauntless. So here in the back, we'll start here. We've got a couple seats with the pads and the backrest. And if you want, these pads and backrest can be stowed away and you'll just have a nice flat right there, just like that one. And then in here is the fishing part. So we've got a place for your fish to go, the live well. We've got some storage boxes in here. Obviously cup holders. And then up here at the helm, we got a double helm seat with bolsters that go up and down. And then here we do have the 12-inch Simrad. Obviously that's nice Boston Whaler steering wheel. The digital throttle for the Merc. We got some gauges up here for mercury. We've got JL audio throughout the boat. And then we have some switches, rocker switches right there. As we come around here, if we open this up, you can see it does have a head. So this is just a little pump out head. Table base, just place for storage as well. And then as we go to the bow of the boat, you've got very comfortable seating. Like I said, this is a great boat if you want to do fishing, if you want to do some leisure. You've got this right here. And then also, if I open this up for you, we look underneath here, we've got great storage. You've got rod storage down here as well. And then up underneath here is your table. So that's a nice place to put it away so it's not out all the time. And then as we come to the bow, it does open up, nice padding. And then we have two backrests that pop up or can be pushed all the way down flat. 25 Dauntless, such a great boat, a lot of fun to drive. Like I said, leisure, fishing, can do a little bit of everything. This boat's here down at our Rogers location if you'd like to come take a look. If you want to set up an appointment, just give us a call.